How has artificial intelligence changed content creation on YouTube? For content creators that have a dream of one day being able to create videos full-time, there is a never-ending quest to always find the easiest, most effective way to create engaging videos that capture audience retention and streamline the process of getting their creations out there for the world to see. The conversation around if the new tools coming out are ultimately right to use, and does using these tools sacrifice the connective human side of the content being put out there, is an ongoing debate. But as far as the YouTube game changing as a whole, it is undoubtable that artificial intelligence has ushered in a transformative era for content creators on YouTube, redefining the landscape in terms of efficiency, creativity, and audience engagement.
This is how you make $10,000 a month on YouTube using AI without ever showing your face.
Here's a side hustle that's so simple, even a 12-year-old can do it. You don't have to spend any money to get it set up, and it's going to make you passive income for years to come.
There are countless videos claiming a creator can now use AI in almost every single step of content creation, in turn allowing the YouTuber to remove themselves from the process completely. Although many content creators focused around helping to grow your YouTube channel are claiming that doing this could result in a denial of access to the Content Creator Partner Program on YouTube. Hence, your channel never can become monetized. All that being said, there still remains many powerful tools that have already begun to transform the landscape of content creation forever, that several platforms are now embedding within their services to content creators, not just for YouTube, but on multiple different sites as well. One notable aspect of this transformation is the emergence of AI-driven tools on platforms such as TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and CapCut that have become indispensable for creators aiming to optimize their content and enhance their overall YouTube experience. TubeBuddy, a popular browser extension, employs AI algorithms to provide creators with valuable insights into their channel's performance. This includes keyword suggestions, competitor analysis, and real-time statistics, enabling creators to make informed decisions regarding content strategy and audience targeting. The integration of AI not only streamlines the workflow for creators, but also enhances the discoverability of their videos through data-driven optimizations. One such optimization that has been recently added is the title generator, which allows a user to input their video title, and it will recommend alternate titles that are quote more engaging. I personally use TubeBuddy for my channel and have used this feature a few times. It has recommended some titles that I had chosen to use, or at the very least tweak slightly. I have a link in the description below where you can download TubeBuddy. There is a free version, but the paid version gives you a lot more to work with. If you do use the link to download it, I get a little kickback for that at no cost to you. So if it is something you're wanting to grab, please use that link, and I thank you in advance for doing so. I very much appreciate it, as my overlords will be very pleased. Another platform that allows content creators similar tools, VidIQ, which takes a similar approach, utilizing AI to empower creators with actionable analytics and video optimization tools. By analyzing trends and user behavior, VidIQ assists creators in crafting content that resonates with their target audience. This AI-driven platform goes beyond basic metrics, offering detailed insights into audience demographics and engagement patterns, enabling creators to tailor their content for maximum impact. They also utilize AI for title generation, and although I have not used it, based on reviews I've seen of the platform, it seems to be just as effective as the TubeBuddy tool. There are opinions on which platform is better, and many videos discussing that topic. Ultimately, I feel it is up to the creator to determine which platform is right for them in terms of cost. At the time of this video, TubeBuddy is currently the less expensive option, but both platforms offer a powerful set of tools that could help enhance a content creator's abilities to reach more viewers. But in terms of content creation itself, CapCut, a video editing app powered by AI, brings a new dimension to content creation. It simplifies the editing process by automating tasks like scene transitions, audio enhancements, and even suggesting creative elements based on the video's context. This not only saves creators valuable time, but also democratizes video editing, making it more accessible for those without extensive technical skills. CapCut is the editing software of my choice right now, and there are many videos on my channel that teach you how to use the various tools it has to offer in video creation. I've used this platform for a little over 2 years now, and I have used other editing softwares such as Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro and iMovie. With all that said, I have been very impressed with the continual improvements CapCut has made to its platform. Even on the free version, one such feature that CapCut uses is its narration tools. A creator can input a line of text into their video, and CapCut offers a decent selection of artificial intelligence narration voices to choose from that will read what has been written and can even sing it as well. For example, this very video has been created utilizing this feature. The integration of artificial intelligence in these platforms not only optimizes content creation, but also addresses the challenges of audience retention and engagement. AI algorithms analyze viewer behavior, suggesting content improvements and strategies to captivate audiences. This real-time feedback loop enables creators to adapt their approach dynamically, ensuring that their content remains relevant and engaging in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Furthermore, AI has revolutionized the way creators interact with their audience. Automated responses, personalized recommendations, and content curation based on user preferences are made possible through AI-driven algorithms. This fosters a deeper connection between creators and their viewers, as the content becomes more tailored to individual tastes and preferences. AI is undeniably transforming the YouTube creator space, and companies like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and CapCut are at the forefront of this revolution. The infusion of AI-driven analytics, optimization tools, and automated editing capabilities not only streamlines the content creation process, but also enhances the overall quality and relevance of content. As these technologies continue to evolve, content creators can expect further innovations that will shape the future of YouTube and redefine the dynamics of online content creation.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.